I'm in the BS chemistry, the third semester. The topics are application of polar one equation for the calculation of PC, VC, and TC. PC mean critical pressure, VC mean critical volume, and TC mean critical temperature. So the topic is application of van der Waal equation application of van der Waal equation for the calculation of PC, TC, and VC. So, first of all, I will write van der Waal equation, which is P plus N squared by V squared V minus NB is equal to N R and T. This is our van der Waal equation, and I will give it equation number 1. So, for 1 mole of gas, for 1 mole of gas, equation 1 become as P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. So this become equation 2. Now simplify equation 2. Equation 2. By simplifying equation 2, we get PV minus PB plus A V by V square minus AB by V square is equal to RT. So we can cancel this square with this V. So we get the equation PV minus PV plus A by V minus AB by V square. RT को इस तरफ लाने से ये माइनस RT बन जाएगा or E0. So this become equation number 3. Now we will multiply v square to this whole equation number 3 by multiplying like v square to equation 3 v स्क्वायर को इस होल इक्वेशन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो ये बन जाएगा, ये इस तरह हो जाएगा PVQ minus PV V square plus A V square by V plus A V square by V plus A V square by V minus AB V square minus AB V square by V square. हम क्रॉस नहीं कर लेते, फिर पहले V square मल्टीप्लाई कर दे minus RT V square minus RT V square is equal to 0. So dividing equation, this become equation 4. This is equation 4, and now we will divide this equation by P throughout. So directly I am dividing this equation, whole equation by P. So this is PV cubed by P. This also divided by P. And so first of all I will simplify this equation, then I will divide by P. So we will cancel with this square, and this V square will be cancelled with this V square. So this become PVQ minus PV V square plus A V minus AB minus RT V square is equal to 0, and this becomes equation 5. So now divide equation 5 by P throughout. So I will divide this equation by P, divided 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 by P. So the P can be cancelled with this P, and this P can be cancelled with this P. So the equation become VQ minus BV square plus AV by P minus AB by P and minus RTV square by P is equal to 0. This becomes equation 6. Now we have to replace P with PC.